Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Pratik. How are you?
I'm fine.
This is your do now, and you have to write vegetable names in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am. Carrot, green. Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
You are fine. Okay. This is your do now, and you have to write vegetable names in your
Okay.
notebook. I know Pratik has completed his work. Good job, Pratik. Now write 5 more vegetable names on your own.
Okay, ma'am.
And Pratik is using chat box. If you want to say anything, you can use chat box and type. Ma'am can read and answer your questions. Only 2 minutes left. Complete your do now and then we'll start with our lesson. Hello Prashant.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you beta?
I'm fine.
Complete your do now. Write 5 vegetable names.
Okay.
Prashant, tell me the first picture. What's the name of the vegetable in the first picture?
Matar.
And this is English class. So what will we say mutter in English?
Peas.
Yes. The first vegetable is peas. Pratik, your turn. Second vegetable is?
Potato.
And can you tell me the spelling of potato?
P-O.
Hmm. Hmm.
P-A-T-O.
Awesome. Good job, Pratik. Ridhima, next turn. What is the name of the third vegetable?
Third vegetable. P-O.
Yes.
Third vegetable. Carrot.
Yes. And what's the spelling?
Spelling.
Hmm.
C-A-R-R-O-T.
Well done. Good job, Ridhima. I'm so happy that you all have learned the spellings. Well done. Now we are starting with our lesson. Today, so we will learn 3 things today. First, we will revise 2 tricky words. What and when. We will revise 2 tricky words. Next, we will revise 2 sounds. R. After that, we will revise plurals. Pratik, unmute yourself and tell everyone what are we going to learn today.
Toby, we will
Today we will learn
learn
2 tricky words.
2 tricky words.
What and when.
What and when.
2 sounds.
2 sounds.
And R.
And
R. And we will revise plurals. Okay. Let's start with our phonics lesson. Prashant, read the tricky words.
Chair.
Next tricky word.
Any.
Very good. Next.
Many.
Next.
One.
Very good. Next.
All.
Read it again.
O-N-E. O-N-E. Only.
Shabash. Next.
To head.
This is the tricky word we are going to learn today. What?
What?
What? What? मतलब क्या? What means क्या?
Yeah.
And next tricky word. Next tricky word is when.
When?
When मतलब कब? These are the two tricky words we are going to learn today. What and when. Now we are going to read and write some sentences. These are question answers. We are going to play a game. Ma'am will tag two kids. One child will ask questions and second child will give answers. Now I'm tagging Deepika and Pratik. Deepika, you are going to ask questions and Pratik is going to give answer. Unmute yourself, Pratik and Deepika.
Okay. Ma, what is your name?
Pratik, answer.
My name is Pratik. What is
Very
your
good.
name? My name is Deepika.
Yes. Deepika, ask the second question.
What is your name?
Mother's name.
Mother's name? My mother name is Jyoti Gautam.
Very good.
What
Pratik,
is your
now.
mom name? My mother name is Devki Devi.
Very good. Third question.
What is your school name? My school name is People School.
Now Pratik, ask the same question.
What is your school name? My school name is People School.
Very good. Good job. Prashant, unmute yourself and tell me, when do you wake up?
Wake up.
In the night, in the afternoon, or in the morning?
Morning.
Now try to give answer in full sentence. I read.
I
Wake.
wake up
Hmm.
in the morning.
Very good. Repeat again.
I wake up in the morning.
Well done, Prashant. Pratik, when do you sleep?
O'clock.
Okay. Can you try and give the answer in full sentence? I
am sleeping.
read. Pratik, read. I sleep
I sleep it
at
at I drink a water. 12 o'clock.
Okay, you sleep at 12 o'clock. Very good. Yes, Ridhima.
Water.
Yes. And you can always type in the chat box. Okay? Deepika, when do you study?
मैं पढ़ाई सुबह में ही करती हूँ एक
Okay, try to give the answer in full sentence. Read and try.
I study in the morning.
Okay, good job.
मैम और मैं सुबह ही राइटिंग करती हूँ एक पेज
Very good.
हिंदी की.
Good job. Why not English? You can always study both English and Hindi. Chirag, read the words from and R sound. Chirag, unmute yourself.
Star, card, smart, Sweeper,
Yes, Pratik, you can
boxer,
go.
finger, hammer.
Well done, Chirag. I love your speed. It means you have watched the video carefully and now you have learned all the words. Very good, Chirag. Riddhima, can you also read the same words?
And words.
Yes,
Car,
please read. Yes.
car, star,
Very good.
card,
Hmm.
smart,
Nice. Hmm.
boxer,
Very good.
finger.
Hmm. Well done, Riddhima. So now we are going to read a paragraph and a story. Sohan, can you start reading the story?
Titu, Tina
So heading
in the farm.
Bam. Now start reading.
Tina went to the farm by her car. She got
We will stop after one line. Okay. Tina went to the farm by her car. Now question. Sohan, where did Tina go?
farm.
Very good. She go to the farm. Well done. Next line is for Pratik. Unmute and read, Pratik.
She got the
Got.
she got a card for her her
Aunt.
aunt.
She got a
Tina
card for her aunt. Pratik, stop. Abhi. Now time for question. What did she get for
she
her
got
aunt? What did she get for her aunt?
she got a
She got a
Card.
card. Very good, Pratik. Start reading now.
Tina
Saw.
a cat
Hmm.
under the bed.
Very good. Stop, Prashant. What did Tina see?
Tina have a cat
Tina see a cat. Tina sees a cat. And where is the cat?
under the bed.
Well done. The cat is under the bed. Chirag, read.
सिंगुलर वो होता है जो एक होता है और प्लूरल वो होता है जो दो होता है.
Okay. Very good, Chirag. Singular is one. Plural is more than one. So what will be the plural of bag?
3 bags.
Very good. सोहन ने हमें बताया we can add sound at the end. We can add sound at the end to make a word plural. If there's one bag, we'll call it bag. And if there are more bags, we will call it bags. Riddhima, unmute and read the next word and tell us the plural.
Plural.
Read the second word. Shirt.
T-shirts.
Shirt. If there's one shirt, we'll call shirt. And if there are more shirts, we'll call it shirts. Very good, Pratik. I can see you are typing. The next question is for all of you. Third is tiger. Now, you all have to type the plural of tiger in the chat box. You have to send it when I say go.
मेरा नहीं है चैट बॉक्स.
Okay. Chirag, you can write in your notebook. And when I say go, you have to send. Write the plural of tiger. Go. Send everyone. Plural of tiger. Very good, Prateek. Very good, Sohan. Tigers. Sohan, ये नहीं लगाना, सिर्फ डायरेक्ट टाइगर्स लिखना है. Very good, Ridhima and Deepika. Check your spelling. The plural of tiger is tigers. Check and correct your spelling, Ridhima and Deepika.
मैम वो मेरा नेटवर्क थोड़ा सा कम हो गया था, इसीलिए मैं जल्दी से नहीं भेज पाई.
No problem, Deepika. Good job, everyone. Sometimes we add es to make the word plural. When a word ends with sounds s, s, z, ch, sh, we add es. जब भी कोई शब्द इन साउंड से खत्म होता है, यानी कि जब भी किसी वर्ड के लास्ट में ये साउंड आती हैं, तो हम उस वर्ड को प्लूरल बनाने के लिए es ऐड करते हैं. Let's practice and send it when I say go. What will be the plural of box? Type and send. Very good, Chirag. Very good, Sohan and Prateek. And Ridhima. Ridhima, we will add es in box because the last sound is x. Last sound sound है ना, इसलिए हम इसमें es ऐड करेंगे. And the spelling will be boxes. Okay, Ridhima?
Okay.
Plural of bench. Go. Deepika, good job. Ma'am is waiting for others. Plural of bench. Deepika, check your spelling. It's not benches, it's benches. Check your spelling and write again. Rohan, you have to check your spelling. We will add es because benches में last sound है ch sound. तो हम इसमें es add करेंगे, Sohan. And the plural will be benches because we will add es in the end. Is waiting for Chirag and Prashant. Prashant, आप बोल भी नहीं रहे हो, लिख भी नहीं रहे हो. Can you hear us, Prashant?
मैम मुझे लिखना नहीं आता.
कोई बात नहीं, आप अपनी नोटबुक में लिख रहे हो, प्रशांत?
यस मैम.
ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट वर्ड रीड करो. लास्ट वर्ड का प्लूरल बताओ. बाकी लोग चैट बॉक्स में लिख के बताएंगे ग्लास का प्लूरल क्या होगा. प्रशांत, आप बोल के बताओ. What is the plural of glass?
Glasses.
Very good. Plural of glass is glasses. Go. Sohan, Prateek and Deepika, good job. Sohan, check your spelling. There are two S in glasses. एक बार spelling check कर लीजिए. Well done, everyone. And we have now learned plurals as well. Ridhima, what have we learned today? Ridhima, unmute and tell everyone what have we learned today?
Learn today.
Very good. And after tricky words, what did we learn?
What did we learn?
हाँ, हमने क्या सीखा? tricky words के बाद, sound के बाद?
Plural.
Yes. and we learned plurals. Very good. Now, थैंक यू. आप सबने बहुत बहुत अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट किया और सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा पार्टिसिपेशन था दीपिका, सोहन एंड प्रतीक. वेरी गुड. ऑल ऑफ यू वर सो क्विक. आप जल्दी 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 चैट बॉक्स में आंसर लिख रहे थे एंड आई एम हैप्पी. और बाकी बच्चों ने भी बहुत अच्छा पार्टिसिपेट किया. आई नो प्रशांत का चैट बॉक्स नहीं चल रहा था, बट प्रशांत नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन टेक अ फोटो एंड सेंड टू मी इन ग्रुप. आई विल चेक इट.
मैम हमने इसी राइटिंग की थी, इसीलिए हम जो एक चीज देखते हैं वो पूरा हमने एक बार देख लिया था और फिर एक एक करके जल्दी से लिख लिया. क्योंकि
गुड जॉब.
जैसे कि पहले टाइगर उसके बाद एक बैग, तो हमने टाइगर और बैग दोनों देख लिया और उसके बाद हमने जिससे पहले आप बैग कहते हमने पहले से ही लिख दिया था.
Smart, smart, smart. Okay, Deepika. Now your class is over and you can talk to me, you can ask me anything.